Welcome back to my channel, guys. I hope you are doing very well today. What I want to show you how to do is a chicken saute right at home, and it's super easy. Here you'll see 2 chicken breasts. I have about roughly half of a Roma tomato, 1/4 of an onion, 1 teaspoon of garlic, and just the tip of a Serrano pepper. Over here I have a tablespoon of salt, half a tablespoon of pepper, half a tablespoon of paprika. So let's go ahead and get started. What we're going to do first is incorporate the chicken to our pan, which is set at medium-high heat. Okay, so with that in place, it's going to cook for at least 20 to 25 minutes. And so I'm just going to let this simmer for a second. With one side of my chicken whitening, I went ahead and flipped it around. So at this point, I'm going to add in my ingredients. Alright, I'm going to add in paprika, pepper, and my salt. Now we'll have that going. My water is boiling for my stir-fry noodle, in which I am using the regular spaghetti. You can also go with the thin spaghetti. Sometimes I do use thin spaghetti, so it's whichever you prefer. Okay, so at this point I'm going to get this all incorporated. Now into this chicken I want to add in my cabbage. So I'm just using about a handful of cabbage. And to that I'll be adding in my carrots and my broccoli cuts to this mixture here. Okay, here I'm going with a bowl full of frozen broccoli. And it's 2 packs of my carrots that I've added in. And lastly, my shredded cabbage. To bring that all together. And guys, we are back after boiling my spaghetti for 11 minutes about. I'm ready to incorporate it into that stir fry now that I've drained the water out. Let's go ahead and do that. Going in with my tablespoon of sriracha now. I'm just going to bring that all together. And that soy sauce is to your liking, depends on your taste, whether you like salty foods or not. So I'm just going to give it good shake, and just pour that all the way down. So next I'm going to just combine it all. So there you have it, guys. Nice and easy stir fry to make on a weekend or weekday family dinner night. And I've paired it with some white rice. The possibilities are endless. You can add in celery. So definitely can be creative with this. I do want to thank you very much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for other videos coming up, as I will be posting every Tuesday. Thanks again, guys. Stay safe.